What's up, everybody? It is your boy Fabs, and I need your help. Last night I went on lunch and I went to go start my car, and all my dash lights went on in my Cali when I turned the key to ACC. Now I went to go try to crank it and it didn't crank, but everything went black, like it blacked out on my dash, right? So I thought it was just a loose connection on the battery terminal, right? So I played with the battery terminals, thought I could get a start. The lights went illuminated on the dash and ACC again, and then after that it would just black out when I went to go crank it. So after a little bit of doing that, I ended up going and trying to start it again, and it started. Now this is my issue, guys. I started it later on last night at 11:30, and then I drove it home, and halfway home from Boston to where I live, I switched from 5th to 6th, and then all of a sudden I felt like a one-time clunk in my shifter, and then I put it into neutral real quick, and then I put it back into 6th, and then all of a sudden my car just started bogging down. I've already replaced the TIPM. You guys have seen that in my TIPM removal and, you know, install. So if you guys haven't seen that, it's right here. Go ahead and click it. But anyways, my concern right now is I need you guys' help. I'm over here right now taking apart my wire harness. You guys can see that I had two-step in it prior to buying it. So when I went from Long Island, New York, I drove home and I started having sputtering problems. I went ahead and I rerouted the two-step so it wasn't enabled in this car. But since then, I haven't really had an issue. I did replace the TIPM once. I replaced the Real Tune. I forget what version I got anyways, but I got version 2. And yeah, basically I went ahead and I replaced that with a stock PCM from Real Tune Aaron, and I haven't had really much of an issue. But then I went ahead and I replaced that. I do have a video for you guys. I replaced the rear motor mount on the subframe where the steering rack is, so I do have a install video for you guys coming. But today I'm really concerned on this issue that I have right now, because I'm to the point where I really want to just get rid of this caliber. But if you guys have any, you know, thoughts, comments, or anything, leave it in the comments below, and please help me what I should do, because like literally I checked over here and you guys can see this little relay box that had 5 or 6 relays. This one right here corroded, and that one is my relay for my fans and my cooling. So I realized my relay, one of these, right, corroded, and here it is, and you guys can see possibly like right there, it's all green, it broke off. So I was having issues. Now mind you guys, I've been having issues with my TIPM IOD, and I looked at it, nothing, no issues with the TIPM IOD, but I do have the no fuse, and my interior lights don't work whenever I go to open my car. You know, I can't even unlock it, by the way, also. So I can't unlock it. I go ahead, put my key in, open the door, no interior lights go on, nothing. I go to put the key in, and I start the car, drive around, come park it. If I have the door closed and I take the key out of the ignition and then open my door, my radio stays on, my dash lights, or the gauge lines right there, they're just like, they stay in position. Like it would say read 200 degrees, it would read more than a half a tank, it would read the RPMs and the miles per hour. Obviously it would be 0 because I would be parked, but yeah guys, I don't know. This car is nothing but issues. So if you guys know, please leave it in the comments below. Help me what you guys think I might be able to do to figure this out. I'm literally to the point where I want to take the whole wire harness out and lean it over here and strip it and go through it. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Please help me. I need help with this piece of shit. Be easy, guys. Peace.